Get it, mama. Mother's Day photo shoot.
Well, hey there, Royal Loyals. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you the images from my mom's DIY photo shoot, starting with the behind the scenes footage. But first, you know what time it is. Let's get into this intro. So while the behind the scenes footage is rolling, let me give y'all a little bit of background information. For starters, my mother loves taking photos, and she had been hinting for a while to me and my sisters that she wanted one of her gifts to be a family photo shoot. Now, since your girl is an avid DIYer, and my very first DIY photo shoot of my daughter's sweet 16th birthday was a success. I mean, the end result was amazing. I thought, what better time than Mother's Day to make this wish a reality for my mom? So here's how it went down, y'all. I transformed my entire loft area into an actual on-site photo shoot, okay? Now, the goal was to treat mama like royalty, okay? So with that being said, I styled her from head to toe. I did her makeup, and we made her feel like a queen, hence the crown. We then turned on the music, to set the atmosphere, to get mama to, feel herself, for lack of better words, because, well, the more confident you are, the better the poses, and it definitely shines through in the photos. And you will see in the upcoming footage that mama actually started feeling herself, and it definitely started to shine through in her poses, okay? We used several different props, and my mom wanted to incorporate her daughters, her grandchildren, and her son-in-laws into this shoot. So you will see us in and out of the photos with her. And y'all, let me just say, she had a blast. She definitely channeled the diva within and gave us pure slayage. You hear me? So now let's talk about where I bought all of my supplies. As if you didn't already know, Amazon. And I used my iPhone to capture the images. So if I can do this, you can do this. So please take this idea and run with it. Use it for any occasion, birthday, holiday, you want to update your family photos, you name it. The idea is yours to use as you please. So I took all of the images that you will see later in a final slideshow, and I had a hardback book made through Shutterfly so that my mom could always look back on this memory and always look back on those photos, because she's just a photo fanatic. And plus, she'll have this video to look back on. So mama, if you're watching this, happy Mother's Day, and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed your day, my queen. And as you can see, the music had us all feeling ourselves. We were having a blast, y'all. But of course, I had to cut the sound out. Why? Because your girl is not trying to get a copyright strike. So what you'll see in the rest of the behind the scenes footage is just pretty much us setting the atmosphere, hyping mama up so that her confidence will shine through in the photos, and just making her feel like a queen. And now I'm going to shut up so you can see these pictures for yourself. But honey, you going to be like, glamour shots for what? No, but seriously, I'm going to hush, and I'm going to put on some music, and I'm going to let the final image slideshow play. But be prepared, because mama came through. She served, you hear me,